have very basic page that was created with the WooCommerce cart shortcode, the default shortcode. And we have footer, header, and of course the content itself that made with the Gutenberg block, again with a shortcode. So let's click on edit and then on edit with Elementor in order to customize it with Elementor rather than with Gutenberg. Alright, so we can see the content displayed over here that was generated by the shortcode, but we don't want to use it, so we will delete it. But first of all, let's expand all of our WooCommerce widgets that came with Elementor Pro, and we can use any of them. So first of all, we'll delete the content and we'll create a new section, and we'll drag our cart widget into the new section. And as you can see, cart is divided to 2 columns, left and right, but you can change it to 1 if you want, and the checkout button will be below the table. I will bring it back to what it used to be, the default layout, 2 columns, and from now on it's pretty much based on your needs, based on your desire, how you want it to look. So for example, if I would like to paint this section in a different background color, I will just go to the style tab and give it a different color, maybe like gray. Also, if I would like to change the checkout button color from this light blue to something else, I will click on the cart widget, then I will expand the checkout button option, and I will change the background color from whatever it is to anything else that I want. And I can also change the font style, the text style, make it bold, etc. So change the button color, for example red or whatever you need, and in our case I will also add a border. So I will change the border style from none to solid. I will increase the width of it, and I will change the border color to black, something like so. Obviously it's based on your preferences, and you can play with whatever you want, any other aspect of this cart widget based on your requirements. Also, as you can see, this default template will display the header, the title, and the footer. We can change it by clicking on the cogwheel icon, and here we can choose one of the 4 different templates that we have. We can either choose the canvas, which will remove the header, footer, and title, or we can choose the full width that will remove the title itself but will keep the header and the footer, just like so. Most cart and checkout pages will have very minimal header and footer in order to prevent buyers from distractions or maybe even navigating out of the cart. So let me show you what we can do about that. We will create a new header template that will be very minimal and will only display the logo instead of our menu. And we're only going to display it in our cart and checkout pages. So let's go to the back end of our website, to our WordPress dashboard, and here we'll navigate to templates and into save templates. Now I already have one template created, but we'll create another one. We'll call it header, and this time we'll call it cart and checkout, because this template will only be displayed on those 2 pages. And I will click on create template. Then I will create one column section, and into this section I will only drag the logo or an image, either one, because again we want to keep it very minimal without any distractions. I will reduce the size of it to medium and maybe even give it a background color, just like so. And this is enough. We don't need more than that for our cart and checkout pages. We'll click on publish, and then we'll set the condition to be displayed only on those 2 pages. So we'll choose to be singular page and the specific page cart. Then we will create another condition. We'll repeat the process, and this time the page will be checkout. Once we're done, we'll click on save and close. Excellent. Now let's revisit our cart page. We'll refresh it and we'll see our new header instead. And look how nice it is, very minimal. And now your customers can only focus on checking out. Now you will need to repeat the process and create a custom footer for the checkout and cart pages. Another way that I would like to show you how to customize your WooCommerce cart is extension to Elementor that's called Shoplentor, formerly known as Woolentor. And after activating the extension on your WordPress website, you will have these new 2 tabs, loads with many WooCommerce widgets that you can use to enrich your WooCommerce cart. So let's check one of them. For example, we can see that we have many additional widgets, but I would like to focus on the cross-sell widget because it can help you sell more products and increase revenue. So let's drag it over here just below the coupon field, and right now it's empty. First of all, we'll save the changes and we'll revisit the cart to see if we can see anything over there. So let's click on visit page. Right now we can see the cart is the same and there are no cross products. That's fine. In order to change that, let's go into one of the products inside the cart, and here we'll click on edit product, and then we'll scroll down to our link products section, and here we will enter the link products inside the cross-sell field. So we can start typing it and we can choose it from the list. Once done, save the changes, refresh your cart, and you will see the new cross-sell section added successfully with the recommended product. And of course you can just click on add to cart, and that will add the item to the cart automatically, as you can see here, and it will update the cart. And this is only one out of the many useful widgets that they have, and I will leave you all the links in the description box down below. But the real strength of this Elementor plugin is their pre-made templates that will look amazing and will save you valuable time. So let's go to Elementor and into template library, and here you'll find many pre-made templates for any aspects of your WooCommerce store. Because we are focusing on the cart page, let's get into the cart templates, and here you can browse between many options they have. When you're ready, click on import, and then on import to library. It will import the template. You can see that the name is list style 6. We need to remember that. Let's exit it and go into the settings tab and into the WooCommerce template. Over here we'll scroll down into the cart page template, and we will change it from the default to the newly fresh template we just downloaded. And after we save the changes, we will refresh the cart, and we can see that it adapted the new template and it looks amazing. And all you have left to do is just to use a different header template